Alright, I'm about to go race this Dodge Dakota in my Chevy Avalanche. We're gonna go to the spot and see what's up. 5.9 liter versus 5.3. Alright, so here we are. We got the 07 Avalanche 5.3 LT, and we got the Dakota, Dodge Dakota, and the homie Derek's driving. So what year is the Dakota?
It's a 2001.
2001, and what motor you got in it?
5.9.
5.9. Alright, cool. You want to do this?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, we're gonna do a little heads up drag, just see what happens. Alright, let's do it. Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Alright, what do you think, on 3 or what?
Yeah.
Like 1, 2, 3, boom?
Sure.
Yeah, alright. You want to count? No? Alright. Alright, you ready?
Yep.
Alright, 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, I got him. I got him. Got him. Woo! Shit. Barely. It was close, but I got him. Shit. Not bad, man. That was good.
Yeah.
Shit, you want to try it again, or you think that's good?
That's